Welcome to another trade breakdown video. My name is Raymond Schalker from Fortune Capital Traders, and I will go through the trade we took today. It's a GJ trade, and let's go to the charts immediately so I can show you guys. So, the charts. Here we are, looking at GJ on a daily chart. Every day, I record a stream for the people in Discord so they can learn how I analyze the market and how I watched it. Okay, so we did this all before it happened. So the daily time frame. Right here we have the structure that I have been talking about quite a lot. And you see that the price is bullish at the moment as it broke above here, but rejected this area right there. Do you want to know why and how? Just join Discord and you will learn. For now, let's drop to the lower time frames and why I took that trade. So first, this area over here is an area of interest for me. I'll put it on as a higher time frame zone. And I'm expecting that to be met again, right? It has been touched once, now twice, and it's getting weaker and weaker in my opinion. So I'm expecting it to blow through this resistance and fill this clean range to the left. Okay, so we had this 4-hour candle right here where the trade happened. 1-hour candle, right, was looking good at the moment. This candle was still forming, and then we got to the 30-minute. On the 30-minute, I draw my zones. I had a couple of them, but this was the one that made sense the most to me. So first, we have this support right here, right? But here on the left, we have another small support. So what I do, because the range is really small, I map that out as my support and resistance zone. Okay. Then I was on my bias, I was a little bit mixed. I make a bias every day just before I enter the market, and on GJ it could go either way in my opinion. So I was open to take shorts and longs at the same time. So I was waiting for this type of setup. I was looking at the 50-minute to see if this all lines up. It all lined up. We saw this move here, but I saw this as a fake out. So I just decided that I won't draw my zone over there, but leave it over here. What happened was the price pushed down pretty hard, and then the next 50-minute closed inside the range again. What happened? The 30-minute time frame did the same thing afterwards. But right here, you see that there's a small wick to the downside below all those wicks right here, and on the 1 hour you can see it even better. It's some type of a liquidity wick to the downside, just getting below this previous wick at the moment and then moving up. 4-hour time frame, see it even better. This wick was created, and right here we were at the time. Okay, so we wicked below the previous 4-hour candle and moving back up. Okay, I was open to both things. So what happened was we had the 50-minute candle closure, bullish inside that range again. So I thought like, okay, if we get a retracement back to the zone and then a push up break of the high, I'm going to enter the trade anticipating it to move up. Only thing is that the stop loss is going to be quite big, so my stops will be right there, right here, just below the support. Okay, and why? Because if the support gets broken and it takes out its own low, there's a high probability that we could just continue to the downside, and the fake out is not going to happen. But as I'm expecting it to push up right on the higher time frames as well, with support being formed, more detail on that in the Discord, I was expecting a little push to the upside. Well, we got that push. We closed around 90% already at this resistance. And why? As I'm a little bit conflicted in my bias, I was open to longs and shorts on the higher time frames. I just wanted to secure some profits. So I closed 90% right there, let the rest run until like somewhere around here, I guess, close a little more, and then left a really small 5% runner that's still running at the moment to maybe get to this 4-hour zone and then take more profits off the table. That was a trade, people. So if you do want to know how I do this and how me and my members get into those trades, like and subscribe this video so you stay up to date for these trade breakdowns, and just join the Discord and we will get into profitable trades together. All right, thank you for your attention, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Ciao.